Hello, welcome to Learn Cantonese with Joy. Today we are learning what language do you speak in Cantonese. Let's go. What language do you speak in Cantonese is 你講咩語言㗎？你 you 講 speak 咩 what 語言 language 㗎 modal particle for questions. The answer in Cantonese is 我母語係廣東話啊。My mother tongue is Cantonese. 我 I 母語 mother tongue. 我母語 my mother tongue. 係 be 我母語係My mother tongue is 廣東話 Cantonese. Modal particle for statement. Here are more languages. 德文 German. 普通話 Mandarin. 英文 English. 法文 French. 日文 Japanese. 韓文 Korean. 西班牙文 Spanish. If you speak more languages, you can say 另外我仲識講少少德文 Other than that, I can speak a little German. 另外 Other than that 我 I 仲 also 識 know 講 speak少少 a little 德文 German. Here are the dialogues. Dialogue 1. 你講咩語言㗎？ What language do you speak? 我母語係廣東話啊。另外仲識講少少德文。My mother tongue is Cantonese. Other than that, I can also speak German. Dialogue 2. 你講咩語言㗎？ What language do you speak? 我母語係德文啊。另外，我仲識講法文同埋少少廣東話。My mother tongue is German. Other than that, I can also speak French and a little Cantonese. Dialogue 3. 你講咩語言㗎？ What language do you speak? 我母語係英文啊。另外，我仲識講廣東話、日文同埋少少普通話。My mother tongue is English. Other than that, I can speak Cantonese, Japanese, and a little Mandarin. That's all for today. Bye bye.